Just 1 spoon of this orange peel drink with this simple morning trick can reset your metabolism and put an end to stubborn fat for good.
Millions of women over 35 believe that not losing weight is just a normal part of aging. But according to a Harvard-backed study published in 2023, the real culprit isn't aging at all. Hidden toxins from the food we eat are blocking your metabolism and forcing your body into something called thermogenic resistance, which makes fat almost impossible to burn, no matter how little you eat. Fortunately, Dr. Reyes, one of the most respected neurologists in the US, discovered that a simple recipe with Spanish orange peel plus a secret natural red compound can flush these toxins out and reignite your metabolism. This simple morning ritual is already helping more than 7,000 women break through thermogenic resistance, burn fat again like they did in their 20s. It's quick, easy, and can be done every morning from the comfort of your home. I've included a short, completely free video in the Learn More button below that explains step by step how to do this orange peel hack and start using it today. My grandmother had tried everything. She was tired, bloated, and had gained so much weight that she stopped going out. We were desperate until we decided to try this orange peel trick, and in less than 2 weeks she was slimmer, full of energy, and smiling at herself in the mirror again. It's a very short presentation, and to watch it, simply click Learn More right now. If stubborn fat is affecting you or someone you love, give this orange peel hack a chance before giving up. Every second is precious when it comes to taking back your health and confidence. Just click the Learn More button below this video and start today.